Hello students, today we will start the revision of the chapter Surface Area Volume. In this chapter, we will cover the topic cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. And today's class, we will discuss the formulas of the all the solids. First, we will discuss about the cube. First, we will discuss about the cube. Cube has a square base and height is a. Suppose it is a, it is a, it is a. So first, what is the length of diagonal of a cuboid? Length of diagonal of cube is equal to a root 3. Next, area of four wall. Area of four wall means perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base, what is the perimeter of base? Base into height. Okay, as we know very well, what is the base as square? So perimeter is 4a into a. It is equal to 4a square. It means area of four wall of the cube is 4a square. Now TSA, total surface area. As we all know, cube has 6 faces and each face has square shape. It means a square into 6, 6a square. Then after volume, the volume is a cube. Okay, please note down. Okay, come to the next. Now we will discuss about the cuboid. We will discuss all the formulas of cuboid. Cuboid means base is rectangle. A solid figure whose base is rectangle. L, B and H. First we will study what is the length of diagonal. Length of diagonal means from here to here. From here to here. Length of diagonal. Equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Then after we will study about the area of four wall. Area of four wall means perimeter of base. Perimeter of base means 2L plus B into height. Means area of four wall is 2L plus B into H. Then after TSA, TSA is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Then after volume, volume is LBH. You all please note down the formula and learn it, because in my next lecture I will explain the question of this chapter and then this formula will be very helpful to you. Please note down. Now please come to the next figure, that is cylinder. Now we will discuss about the cylinder. Think about, there is a rectangular sheet. Okay, rectangular sheet. If we will roll about its length, then we form the figure just like this. Okay, this is called cylinder. Its base is circular. A cylinder whose base is circular. So it is called right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Suppose its length is L and breadth is B, so area will be the LB. So its CSA is also will be the L into B. The CSA of the cylinder is also equal to the L into B. Okay, now we will discuss about the cylinder. Suppose radius of base is R and height is h. Please, the radius of the circular base is r and height is h. So first of all, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means curved surface area. Curved surface area, we will not add the circular part. Same formula, area, circumference of base into height. Circumference of base into height. Everybody knows circumference of circle is 2 pi r into height is h. So CSA is 2 pi r h. Now, then after we will come to the TSA. TSA means CSA plus area of two circles. Okay, so TSA means total surface area is CSA plus one circle plus one circle, two circle, and area of circle is pi r square into 2 into pi r square. So CSA, what is CSA? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So we will add 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. It is the TSA. Then after we will study the next formula, volume. Volume of solid is means area of base into height. Area of base into height. Area of base into height. So what is area of base? Pi r square. Height is s. So volume is pi r square h. Please note down, all of you. Note down and learn these formulas. Now, come to the next solid, that is cone. That is cone. Cone is a very important. Now we will discuss about the cone. Right circular cone. Just like a cap of the Joker. Okay, it is radius of base, it is height, and it is slant height. L is called slant height. A capital is a vertical height. If this is 90 degree, so first of all we will know a relation between R, L and H. Think about, this is a right angle triangle. So we all know very well a Pythagoras theorem, that is relation between R, L and H. R is radius of base, H means vertical height, H means vertical height, L means slant height, slant means तिरछी ऊंचाई. So hypotenuse square means R square plus H square equal to L square. If there are three things, if we know any two, so we will find the third by using this. Then after CSA, CSA is pi RL, CSA is pi RL, TSA means pi CSA plus area of base is pi r square. So what is common? Pi r in bracket L plus r. It is TSA. It is. Then after volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Please note down and learn. Now we will discuss the next solid, that is sphere. That is, first we are understand what is a sphere. We all know about the circle. Circle is a plane figure. If we will rotate a circle about its axis, then we formed a sphere. A sphere just like a ball. Okay, circle is a plane figure, sphere is a solid figure. When a circle is removed, a circle is solved about its axis, means जब सर्कल को उसके एक्सिस के रिगार्डिंग रोटेट कराते हैं तो we formed a sphere. And sphere is a solid figure. If radius is r, so first way CSA and TSA is equal to 4 pi r square. Both are same. For sphere, CSA, TSA, both are same. And volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then after hemisphere, now study hemisphere means आप इस स्फीयर को कट कर दो तो we will get this. So here there will be a difference in CSA and TSA. So here CSA will be the 2 pi r square and TSA will be the 2 pi r square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it means 3 pi r square. And volume will be the half 2 by 3 pi r cube. Please note down and learn. There is my one request. Please, all of you learn these formulas very seriously, because in next lecture we will discuss several types of question. If you have learned this formula, then it will be very beneficial for you. Thank you.